Let me ask you something important. Have you ever wondered why, after the age of 55, your digestion feels slower, your stomach feels heavy, you feel bloated after simple meals, your energy stays low, and somehow your whole body just doesn't feel right? Many seniors think this is just aging, but what if I told you it's not your age, it's your gut? And what's even more shocking is this. Some of the foods you've trusted your whole life are quietly damaging your gut from the inside. No pain at first, no warning signs, just slow, silent damage. And today, I want to protect you from that. Hello, my dear friends, and welcome. I speak to thousands of older adults, and I hear the same sentence again and again. Doctor, I eat less than before, so why do I feel worse? The answer lies in gut health. Your gut is not just about digestion. It controls immunity, inflammation, mood, joint pain, blood sugar, even brain clarity. In fact, modern science calls the gut the second brain. And after 55, your gut becomes more sensitive than ever. Let me tell you a short story. A 62-year-old man came to me. He said, I eat light food, toast, tea, biscuits, rice, sometimes fruit juice. Sounds harmless, right? But he felt tired all day, constipated, bloated, achy joints, poor sleep. The problem wasn't how much he ate, it was what he ate. Many common foods silently harm the aging gut, such as refined flour, sugary drinks, packaged snacks, low-fiber, soft foods, artificial sweeteners. These foods feed bad gut bacteria, weaken digestion, increase inflammation, slow metabolism, and worsen diabetes and joint pain. And over time, they make the body feel old before its time. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need complicated diets. Nature has already given us simple, affordable foods that gently heal the gut, especially for seniors. Today, I'll share 5 amazing foods that can repair your gut lining, improve digestion, reduce bloating, boost immunity, and help your body feel lighter and calmer. Let's begin with food number 1. And this one surprises many people. Food number 1 is something many seniors avoid because they were told it's too sour or too heavy. But when used correctly, it becomes one of the strongest gut healers after 55. Let me explain. Right kind. Not flavored yogurt, not sugary yogurt, not fruit on the bottom yogurt. I'm talking about plain, unsweetened yogurt with live cultures. Many seniors were told to avoid yogurt because it's cold, sour, or hard to digest. But science now shows the opposite. When eaten correctly, yogurt becomes a natural medicine for the aging gut. Simple science, easy to understand. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria. Some are good, some are bad. As we age, good bacteria decrease, bad bacteria grow stronger, digestion slows, inflammation increases. Yogurt contains probiotics, living good bacteria. These probiotics repair the gut lining, improve digestion, reduce gas and bloating, help absorb nutrients like calcium and vitamin B12, strengthen immunity. That's why seniors who eat yogurt regularly often say, my stomach feels lighter, I feel less bloated, my digestion is smoother. Emotional story, trust, and connection. I remember a 58-year-old woman who said, Doctor, I feel scared to eat. Everything upsets my stomach. I advised her just half a cup of plain yogurt once a day after lunch. After 2 weeks, she smiled and said, I don't feel afraid of food anymore. That's the quiet power of gut healing. How seniors should eat yogurt. Practical guidance.
Now listen carefully. How you eat yogurt matters. Choose plain yogurt, no added sugar, no artificial flavors. Prefer homemade or trusted brands. Eat after meals, not on an empty stomach. Start with small amounts. Best time? After lunch or dinner. Worst mistake is adding sugar, eating ice-cold yogurt, or overeating. Common mistake warning: authority tone. Many people destroy the benefit by doing this. They take healthy yogurt and add sugar, honey in excess, sweet fruits, packaged granola. This feeds bad bacteria, not good ones. Remember, your gut doesn't want sweet lies. It wants simple truth. Now, here's something interesting. Yogurt adds good bacteria, but what do those good bacteria eat? That brings us to food number 2, the food that feeds your good gut bacteria and starves the bad ones. Most seniors don't eat enough of it, and that's a big mistake. Let me explain.
Fiber-rich vegetables, especially cooked vegetables. Yes, vegetables, but not raw salads that upset your stomach. Not hard-to-digest rough foods. I'm talking about soft, cooked vegetables that are gentle on the aging gut. This is one of the most overlooked gut-healing foods for seniors. Remember this important rule. Probiotics are the workers. Fiber is their food. Without fiber, the good bacteria from yogurt cannot survive. Fiber feeds good gut bacteria, improves bowel movement, reduces constipation, lowers inflammation, and helps control blood sugar. As we age, many seniors eat less fiber because chewing becomes difficult, digestion feels slow, fear of gas or discomfort. But avoiding fiber slowly weakens the gut. The best gut-friendly vegetables after 55 include cooked spinach, bottle gourd or leaky, pumpkin, carrots, zucchini, and green beans. These vegetables soften when cooked, digest easily, nourish gut bacteria, calm the stomach. Cook them lightly, with minimal oil, without heavy spices. Simple food heals the gut best. A 65-year-old man once told me, "I haven't had a proper bowel movement in years." He depended on laxatives. His body felt tired and heavy. I made one change: a small bowl of cooked vegetables at lunch every day. After 3 weeks, he said, "My body finally works on its own again." That's dignity. That's real health. Common senior mistake: authority warning. Many seniors make this mistake. They stop eating vegetables completely. They think, "I eat less, so digestion will improve." But the gut becomes lazy without fiber. Lack of fiber leads to constipation, piles, acidity, sugar spikes, and toxic buildup. Your gut needs gentle movement, not silence. Now here's something surprising. There's a food that protects your gut lining, reduces inflammation, and even helps joint pain, all at the same time. It's been used for centuries, but modern seniors rarely eat it. That's food number 3. Let me show you why it matters so much after 55. Food number 3, bone broth, or slow-cooked vegetable broth. This is not a trendy food. This is ancient wisdom, now supported by modern science. For seniors, bone broth is like a soothing balm for the gut. Inside your stomach and intestines is a protective lining. As we age, this lining becomes thinner, weaker, and more sensitive. This can lead to acidity, food intolerance, inflammation, and nutrient loss. Bone broth contains collagen, gelatin,
amino acids like glycine and glutamine. These nutrients repair the gut lining, reduce irritation, calm inflammation, and support joint and bone health. That's why many seniors say, warm broth makes my stomach feel safe. I remember an elderly lady who said, when I eat, my stomach burns. Medicines helped temporarily, but the discomfort always returned. I suggested a small cup of warm broth in the evening. After a month, she said softly, my stomach feels protected. Sometimes healing is not aggressive. Sometimes it's gentle and warm. How seniors should take broth. Practical steps. Drink it warm, not hot. Best time evening or before bed. Small portions are enough. No artificial stock cubes. Low salt. Slow cooked is best. If bone broth is not available, vegetable broth works beautifully too. Health should feel comforting, not complicated. Common mistake. Clear warning. Many people think soup from packets is the same. It is not. Packaged soups contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and excess salt. These irritate the gut instead of healing it. Your gut recognizes real food. Transition, curiosity for food number 4. Now, let me ask you something. Do you feel gas, bloating, heaviness after meals? Then food number 4 will surprise you. It's small, it's powerful, and it gently resets digestion. Let's talk about it.
Yes, something this small can make a big difference in an aging gut. Many seniors ignore seeds because they look insignificant, but these seeds work quietly, just like the gut itself. Simple science. Why seeds help. When soaked, chia and flax seeds form a gel-like fiber. This fiber cleans the digestive tract, improves bowel movement, reduces bloating, feeds good gut bacteria, stabilizes blood sugar. For seniors, this gel acts like a soft brush, gently sweeping the intestines without irritation. Emotional story, relief and dignity. A 60-year-old gentleman once told me, "Doctor, I feel full but never empty." He had gas, he had pressure, he felt uncomfortable all day. I suggested 1 teaspoon of soaked seeds every morning. After 10 days, he said, "I finally feel light again." Lightness is not luxury, it's health. How seniors should use seeds, very important. This part is crucial. Always soak the seeds overnight in water. Start with half to 1 teaspoon only. Drink with water or add to yogurt. Chew well if possible. Never eat dry seeds. Best time, morning or early afternoon. Worst mistake, dry seeds, large quantities, eating without water. Safety note, authority tone. If you have severe constipation, intestinal blockage, recent surgery, always consult your doctor first. Health wisdom is about balance, not force. Transition, final food tease. Now we've reached food number 5. This one calms inflammation, supports gut healing, improves immunity, and has been trusted for generations. It's often in your kitchen, but rarely used correctly. Let me show you the right way. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's a gut healer, an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, and a trusted friend for seniors. Modern studies show ginger can reduce bloating, calm nausea, improve digestion, reduce gut inflammation, even ease joint stiffness. It's gentle, natural, and works without harsh medicines. I remember an elderly man who said, "Doctor, after every meal I feel heavy, uncomfortable, and bloated." I suggested a small piece of fresh ginger tea after lunch. After 1 week, he told me, "I feel lighter. My stomach feels calm. I can enjoy meals again." This is simple, effective gut care, the kind anyone can do at home.
How seniors should use ginger. Practical tips. Fresh ginger is best. Slice or grate lightly. Steep in warm water for tea. Can add to cooked vegetables or soups. Start with small amounts. Avoid excessive raw ginger on empty stomach. Concentrated powders with additives. Consistency matters. Small daily habits create long-term gut health. Closing message, empowering and emotional. So, dear friends, here's the summary of what we covered. Yogurt. Add probiotics, repair bad gut bacteria. Cooked vegetables. Feed your good bacteria with fiber. Bone broth. Heal and protect your gut lining. Soaked chia or flax seeds. Gently cleanse and reset digestion. Ginger. Calm inflammation, aid digestion, and support immunity. The key message: healing your gut after 55 is simple, natural, and deeply rewarding. Final emotional hook. Your gut affects energy, mood, sleep, joint health, immunity. Treat it well. Feed it gently. Love it daily. These 5 foods are small, affordable, and profoundly effective. Start today. Your body will thank you tomorrow. Remember, your health is not about age, it's about choices. Call to action, gentle and friendly. If you found this helpful, like this video. Subscribe to Zindagi Sukoon 60 for more senior wellness tips. Share with a friend or family member who deserves a healthy gut. Let's heal our bodies naturally together.
Yeah.